So we start off today's video with this gorgeous blonde pixie style. It looks like the stylist is adding an undercut for this hair change. Beautiful, love the shade work. She looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So we have this stylist here. It looks like she might be doing a mini bob for this hair change. She has bangs going there in the front. Wow, absolutely stunning mini bob. I really like the texture of the bangs. This is such an edgy and modern haircut. I absolutely love it. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have a color transformation. Wow. Oh, absolutely breathtaking hair change. This is so visually stunning. Incredible. Next up, we have this tousled bob. So she's creating some waves here with the flat iron. Very nice. I actually like this with the hair flipped more to the side. And then we have a mullet hair transformation. Now she has some really pretty, naturally curly, wavy hair, and she's gonna get a mullet style. Oh, very nice. This is so 80s. Very rocker chic. Such a fun vibe with that style. Now, if you wanted to, you can, of course, wear a mullet if you have straight hair, but I think that this would be a great curly hair option as well. So here's another variation. Very cute, especially for the summer season. And then we see another hair transformation. So her hair is about mid-back length or so. The stylist cuts the hair. She does have a really nice hair color. Beautiful dimensional brown ombre with some blonde mixed in. Oh, another curly style. So this is more of like a curly shaggy cut. Love the way the color looks within the cut. Very nicely done. Oh, it's actually curly bob. I bet she had bangs in the front. Very nice. And then we have someone rocking a buzz cut. All right, so next up we have a bob. Nice classic effortless blunt bob style. Alright you guys, I hope you're able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.